Hello, 92 Green Z34 here. I'm gonna do a beer review. I'm not necessarily saying it's gonna be a beer review. I'm not really reviewing nothing. I got beer 30 ice. Pretty bland stuff. It's not bland, but it's beer. Tastes like beer 30 light, but more punch. But the thing is that I'm gonna do something that Logansfarms did. Except for I'm going to drink one more. I'm full, so I might not be able to do it. But it's just something that I figure I'll do. Maybe, who knows, maybe we'll be lucky and maybe he'll do one more. But he did 3, I'm going to do 4. Maybe he does 5, maybe I do 6, who knows. But right now, doing 4. Beer 30 ices. They're 5.9% alcohol. He did Beast Ice. He's the man, actually. He did them, really damn good. But I want to drink 4 because he said he was going to drink 4 or 5, and then he only did 4 or 3. Correction, 3. And I want to see if I can do 4. I want to see if I can do it. And I don't know if I can because, well, I just drank that Hurricane. If you watch my last video, you'll notice that. But I just drank that Hurricane. And so, anywho, I want to see if I can do these 4. Now the computer's screwing up on me. I got music going on. See? Messing up. I'm going to restart that video just so you guys can hear the song. But anyway, we're going to get started on it. Catchy tunes, huh? I was chilling with my bud Sam Adams. We get a call from Miller, the man was having spasms. He said, "Dude, get dressed, there's not a chance in hell that we can miss this big party up in San Miguel. Do I have to go out, dude?" "No, but that Mexican chick, Corona's there, and she's been asking about you." I hung up the phone, it's time to get dressed. I put on my magic hat and my shirt with the red stripes. We hit a push, dodging traffic as we pass by her in that Indian red Charger with the fat tires. Drive around for like half the night. Luckily, the blue moon provided natural light. We rolled through the party, everybody was rocking, playing Beck's old single on that iPod dock, and that's where it's. Holy shit, that's cold. Whew. Yeah. Whew. Cold. Brr. I grabbed that one out from underneath the freezer in my beer fridge. Brr. Just about died through that shit. It's like, wow, cold. Yeah, that's a good buzz for the middle of a Thursday. Good work night kind of deal. Get to work tomorrow, but who gives a rat's ass, huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, everyone. You need oxygen before you do this. Cold. Cold. Brr. Ooh, burr. Cold. I just got a note in my beer fridge. It's like, well, 20 years old, but it's the best beer fridge in the world. Listen to that song. That song messed up again on you guys. Again. You guys don't deserve that. Stupid YouTube. Trying to upload my video and play a video at the same time. Oh, well. Well,
hopefully these two came out of my regular fridge. My regular fridge is really not particularly cold, but they were by the back of it, and it does get pretty cold back there. I've found frozen things back there before. I like to keep my food really, really cold, so we'll see. But hopefully these ain't quite as cold. But those last two, they were from my beer fridge. Holy crap. Rugby could like these burps. Well, not that one. That was a shitty one. But he would like them if he listened. I might even tag him in this one, too. Watch my last video. You'll see why I'm already getting fuzzy like this. Stupid video. I'll start it one more time. You guys only got 4 minutes left in my video, but you get to listen to that one more time. Alright. Well, we only got a couple minutes left to get these last two. Let's get it. Let's get it done. See, when you direct upload like this, you only get 10 minutes. Sucky, huh? Alright. There we go, it's out. Let the beer off on there. Gotta hyperventilate a little bit. You don't get oxygen when you drink beer like this. Yeah, I can see why you couldn't do a whole bunch of them in a row. Well, we'll get her done. Whew. This one wasn't quite as cold, but damn, all the same. So far we got 3 empties. Here, check them out. Look at them. All their glory. See, these guys are 5.9% alcohol. I refer to my previous statement on the Beer Therapy review. They're probably one of your better buys as far as drinking beer. Beast Ice is probably your best tasting ice beer there is for the price. But these are your best priced ice beer, period. You ain't gonna get an ice beer cheaper than these. They cost 50 cents a can. Unless you know how to brew your own ice beer, I don't think you're gonna get a cheaper one than this. This is very cheap ice beer. To make this a comparison, pop out of the pop machine generally costs 60 cents a can. Out of a damn, I got a lot of burps. Out of a vending machine for a Coke or Pepsi product, and for like a Sam's product, if you go to Walmart, I believe you can get a 50-cent can of pop. Well, this is your Walmart pop, well, more or less. So, shit, we're almost out of time, guys. Well, I gotta get her done. Gotta be quick. Ooh, I'm burping up foam, not a good sign. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Almost out of time, guys. But, as always, guys, have a good day. Yep.